Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I've got a finish for you. Many of you will have known that I was working on Betsylynn for the Mykathon, which was the August event. And she is all finished. Look at that sparkle. It's just, she's stunning. So yeah, she is 69 by 55 centimeters. As you can see, I've had to move the camera out rather more than usual so that we can get her all in. But yes, and she is a square drill canvas. One little rogue drill there that didn't want to be where it was supposed to. Other than that, let me think, what do I need to tell you about? I did make a couple of changes to the way that she was charted. Let me bring you in and I'll show you some close-ups. So her tattoo area across her décolletage, that all of the blue in that was charted to be AB. I just felt like there was something a bit odd about having a really sparkly tattoo, just a personal preference really. So I swapped out the blue AB, which you can see in the top part of her wings, and down in her shoes. I swapped that out for the same shade of blue, not AB, just because I felt like then it toned better with her skin. That was the main thing. I had originally planned to add some sparkles to her glasses, but actually by the time I came around to doing it, I loved her so much I didn't want to fiddle too much. The only other thing I've done, and let me grab my UV torch so that I can show you, is in the, what's the word? My brain. In the lamp, the lava lamp, I took out what were going to be white drills and added in some white AB glow drills, which I will show you what they look like when they are all glowed up, and then you will get to see. I've no real complaints at all. Let's look at my drills. There was one bag of dodgy black drills where they were all clumped together, but it was fine. We had plenty anyway. Of the 16 bags of black that she came with, I have one bag remaining plus 2 pots, so plenty. No concerns about running out. In terms of trash, there's the lid. There we go. You can see really not a lot, just some odd bits and pieces, some misshapes, a couple that had little bubbles in. Nothing much at all other than the sort of clumpy blacks that we had, but as I say, I shook them up in a drill pot for a bit and they were fine. They were usable, not a problem. In terms of the ABs, we had, where's the other AB? It's that one. So yeah, so there's only 2 actual ABs in this canvas, but we've got plenty remaining if you wanted to use them for another project. And yeah, all the other colours, there wasn't anything that I ran out of at all. obviously most of it is like the black and the red. So the sort of red tones, plenty of those. Really, I mean, it's Diamond Art Club. They're always so generous with their drills. Incredibly rare that I've ever had a problem. And even then it's been maybe a couple of drills here and there rather than any large amount. Yeah, so I am incredibly happy. She is going to go up on the wall. I'm not sure where yet, but we will figure something out for her. Yeah, I'm incredibly happy, and I just can't get over how sparkly she is. I'll put in some close-ups for you so that you can see that. As always, if you enjoy my content, please do let me know, leave a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven. Also remember that if you want to purchase your own canvas from Diamond Art Club, I do have a code. It's always down in the description, but I will also pop it on screen now so that you can get yourself $10 off your first order. I am going to leave this here. At the time of recording this, it is the 1st of September, and I have already started my spooky season projects. I'm working on Warm Witch by Ivy Dolomar, which is also from Diamond Art Club. So you will be seeing much more of that in the future. Until next time, stay crafty.